They're giving us a hypothetical here of saying that figure B is a scaled copy of figure A, and we have to select all of the statements that must be true. So not just could be, but must be. So we're going to go through each of these and talk about it. So figure B is larger than figure A. Well, that could be the case if you had a large square and a small square, but that is not a must because you could go in the opposite direction. So that one's not going to work. Figure B has the same number of edges as figure A. Well, in order for them to be similar or be scaled copies, that's true. You can't have a square and a triangle. That won't work. So figure A is, part B is certainly a must be true. Figure B has the same perimeter. Well, in order for it to be a scaled copy, they're usually different sizes. So that's not a must be at all. Figure B has the same number of angles. Well, that's really important. Just like with B, same number of edges and same number of angles are two of really important criteria when you're looking at scaled copies. So that's definitely a must. And figure B has the angles with the same measures. Corresponding angles must be congruent. That's a really important criteria as well when you're looking at scaled copies of figures. So all of the statements that must be true are B, D, and E for this one.